let's see how to trigger Instagram DM automation from your Instagram Reels and also collect leads information as well. So here, let's look at this particular Instagram profile right here with over 300k followers. So as you can see here, they have actually posted some sort of reels, and as you can see, there is tons of comments as well. Here we have 60, 90, those kind of things. So the idea is to just promote your free lead magnets or any sort of free things for your followers or the people who actually comment on your reels, and from there you can actually trigger automated DMs over there. So I'm going to show how to build this one over here. So let's look at what they have over here. So here they have this link in the bio, and they have this Facebook profile, and they also have join 6-week shape and shred. I think it's a kind of challenge over there. So this is a 5-day shape and shred challenge, begins these sort of things. So if you would like to promote these sort of challenges on your Instagram, you can simply create an Instagram reel and ask people to comment a specific keyword to join the challenge. And another thing is that you can even follow up and send a message asking them if they get a chance to join as well. So there is a tons of possibilities over here. So let's see how to build an automation to send them a specific link to join the challenge, and also send a follow-up message next day or even like 23 hours asking them if they actually got a chance to join the specific challenge as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have already connected the Instagram. So this is the Instagram account connected right here. So let me open this Instagram account in a new tab and show you. So here, this is the Instagram account, and here we have some reels. So here we have just 2 reels over here just for the demo, and let me show how to trigger DM automation from one of these reels over here. So for that, you have to actually go to auto marketing over here, and in auto marketing you have the option of Instagram comments. Suppose if you haven't connected your Instagram account right here, you may not see these features over here. So first of all, you have to connect your Instagram account by going to settings, or you can actually tap on this plus channels icon as well. So if you go to settings, channels, you can choose the Instagram and connect it as well. So once it is connected, you will be able to build any sort of automations over there. So let me explain how to build this sort of automation to send this link as well. So let's go to flow section over here, and first of all, let's create the flow, and after that connect it with the Instagram comment automation. So let me go to the flows, and let me create a new flow, and let me name this particular flow as 5-day shape and shred challenge. So here, put the name and click continue. So here you can actually build the conversational flow or conversational steps over here. So you can have whatever the text you want to send them, or you can even add the links as well. So here let's start with the message, and let's say hey, and here you can actually capture or greet them with their first name as well. So if you type a curly bracket and choose first name, you have the option to greet them with the first name, and let them ask, would you like to join my free challenge? Simple as that. I'm not sure if it is free or not, but it's get access for free, it says. So it's a free challenge, and we just ask this question, would you like to join this particular free challenge? So we can actually add a button over here, yes, I'm in, and here you can actually add any sort of ticks as well, right? So likewise, you can also have another button. Suppose if they are not interested, you can say not interested and have another button as well. Suppose if they say yes, I'm in, and let's send another message. So only if they tap on this button, this message will be sent to them. So let's say awesome, and let's say here is the link to join, and you can add a hand arrow as well. So if you search these emojis, you can easily add these emojis as well. And here let's add a button and a link as well. So let's add a button label as, so you can say like 5-day challenge, or you can even say join now, or let's say register now. register now. And here for the button itself, you can also have some sort of emojis as well. So let's add this emoji for a while. And here you can choose open website over here, because we want to send them to this particular page through the Instagram DMs to register for the particular challenge. So let's save it. So here we are sending this message. When they say yes, I'm in. Suppose if they say not interested, you can send another message for them. Let's say, all right, no problem, have a great day. So let's send this message. All right, no problem, have a great day. Simple as that. And here you have the option to send the follow-up messages as well. So keep in mind, in Instagram you can actually send follow-up messages within 24 hours of their last interaction. For example, they tap on this button, that means that is their interaction, and you send this message. So you have another 24 hours to send another follow-up message for them. So here let's set the follow-up message. So if you want to send the follow-up message, you can use the wait condition. So here you can set specific seconds, minutes, days as well. So if it is Instagram, it should be less than 24 hours. So you can choose like 23 hours, so it will be actually sent the next day. So here in this example, I'm going to use just 10 seconds, or let's say 15 seconds, just to show you how this follow-up message is sent to them. Let's send a message. I just wanted to check in to see if you got a chance to register for the free challenge. If you have any questions, please let me know. So you could actually send this sort of follow-up message as well. So you can actually type your own follow-up messages over here and send it accordingly. And let's publish this one. So we have just created a very simple flow right here to promote the 5-day challenge over here. So now you can actually go to auto marketing over here, and here you have the Instagram comments automation. Choose this one, and let's create a new comments automation, and let's say 5-day challenge, and click continue. So here track comments on specific post or all post. So if you want to promote this particular automation only on specific post, you can simply choose a specific post you have right here. So here you can even add the post ID and choose the post as well. Otherwise you can actually choose the reel. For example, we want this particular automation to work on this specific reel 1. So let me choose this one and click continue. And here you have to choose private reply, what sort of DM you want to send to them. So in this case, choose the flow we just created, 5-day shape and shred challenge. So here this is the flow name, 5-day shape and shred challenge over here. All right, so that will be sent to them when they comment over there, and public reply to the comment. So here you can say just send your DM, and you can even add different variations as well. So what happens is that when it add the public comment reply, one of the variations will be added for each of the comments you receive over there. And here reply to comments, you can actually set a specific keyword for the automation to trigger. Sometimes if they comment something else, then they won't get any sort of DMs. Only you can have a specific call to action word on your comments to trigger the specific automation. So you can actually, in the reel itself, you can actually ask your customers to comment a specific keyword, or you can also mention that in the Instagram reel caption as well. So let's say challenge. So only if they comment as challenge, this particular automation will be triggered. And here you have other options as well, and you can even delay this as well, like a few minutes or seconds as well. So let's just trigger this immediately as soon as they comment as challenge on this particular specific Instagram reel or post, and click save. And let me deactivate this one over here. All right, so now we can actually quickly test how this actually works over here. So let me share my phone screen over here, and as you can see here, we choose reel 1, I guess. So let me double confirm this one. Yeah, we choose the reel 1. So if they comment on the reel 1 as a challenge, then this particular automation will be triggered for them. So let me open reel 1 over here and add a comment challenge. So let me add a comment challenge, and so as you can see, we just received a message over here, and it says, hey Robert, would you like to join my free 5-day shape and shred challenge? So here they have two options, yes I'm in, or not I'm interested. And if I actually go to the original reel, here you can see the public comment reply which says DM sent. Yes, I'm in, and see what happens. So now it should send the next message. Awesome. And it says here is the link to join and register now. So if I tap on this button, it will simply take me directly to the page where they can actually register for the 5-day challenge. As you can see, simple as that. So we can simply share this link in the 5-day challenge, and as you can see, we also received this follow-up message as well, because we set the follow-up message to be sent within like 15 seconds. And it says, I just wanted to check in to see if you got a chance to register for the free challenge. If you have any questions, please let me know. Simple as that. And what happens is that whatever the conversation happening right here can be tracked on this omnichannel inbox as well. So if you go to the inbox over here, we can actually check conversations from happening from all these channels, including the Instagram. So let me open this one. So it says few seconds ago there is a conversation, and this is the user. So here it even says you are replying to users' comments on a post, and this is the response, and an agent can easily jump in and talk with this particular customer as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually use DM automation on your Instagram Reels to increase the engagement and also leads. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.